Memory check. Arroz Jueyes, fresh. Then my dad caught.
But my mom made it.
But my mom made it, but my dad sweat every morning to catch these Jueyes.
And my mom sweat her ass making it.
And let's make sure we get that on camera.
Hell yeah, shit.
But this man right here busts his butt catching them every morning. And we're going to have fresh shrimp when Tati gets here, because God forbid we eat them before she gets here.
She will kill them.
Yes. It's delicious. It smells so good. I got to take a video of the jaula outside.
Yeah.
Chewed up.
And Paul's tired. You see this? Very tired. Say hi, honey. Hi. Wave to you too, Big Papa.
Oh, that goes straight to YouTube?
Yeah.
I'm a freaking big papa. You got your food.
Look at that salad. Yum. Arroz con jueyes. And what's in here? And some beans. It's about to go down. PJ, you gonna pop the sangria?
Yeah. Briefing?
Huh? Even though he wants to get gasolina, because that's his favorite drink.
Yeah.
And the kids are sleeping. You think they broke night all night at the club. Joey just got back from the beach. Joel? Say hi. He doesn't like to be on YouTube, people. This room is a mess. It wasn't like this when we came in, but all our luggages and stuff is like all over the place. And I'm too tired, and this kid has been sleeping all day. I have to tell you guys all about our trip, but yeah, we're about to eat. Oh, okay. Oh, that looks good.
It's good. No, it don't have only 5%.
Yeah, we'll have that. Hi. What you put on that, Daddy? Seasoning?
Yeah.
It looks good. Delicioso. Oh, and this is a sangria.
That avocado.
Yeah, it does.
Well, I have a sour stomach.
Why are you not eating? Eat. This is my beautiful sister, Carmen Jessica. She's going to have a cooking channel here in Puerto Rico. She cooks good.
Dale.
Yep, you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. I have her link under my link, so. Paul put the pool up, so later we'll go outside when there's not 101 minutes waiting to tap your legs.
You ever had Mongolian beef?
Oh my God.
I know not, Jessica.
My father gave me a lot of rice. Normally I don't eat this rice, but I think I'm gonna end up eating all of it. I usually eat like a little bit of rice and a whole lot of salad, but